Chum. Dabelu H time. The past, present, and future. For thousands of years, knowledge has been passed down from one generation to another. From the philosophers of ancient Greece to modern-day professors, education has always been one of the fundamental pillars of humanity. There has always been a human presence in the classroom, a mentor, a guide, a teacher. But now, things are changing. Artificial intelligence is not just taking over factories, hospitals, and courtroom. It's now stepping into our schools. But is this a step towards progress or a step into an uncertain future? In many developed countries, AI has already entered the education system, like Japan, South Korea, and the US. Virtual classroom, robotic, and adaptive learning. Software are reducing the role of human teachers. These AI-driven systems analyze each student's progress, identify weaknesses, and personalize the learning experience. But what's missing? Can a machine understand human emotions? Can it truly encourage a struggling student? Or recognize hidden talents? A human teacher connects emotionally with students while an AI simply processes data. It can track progress, but it can't inspire passion, creativity, or confidence. Now, let's ask the big question. What happens if all human teachers disappear? In an optimistic future, AI makes education more personalized, making knowledge more accessible, affordable, and efficient for everyone. But in a darker scenario, students might lose social skills, creativity could suffer, and we might create a generation of individuals who can process data, but struggle to feel, think critically, or innovate. This might sound like science fiction, but AI is already being used in classrooms worldwide. Now, we turn the question to you. If AI replaces all human teachers, is it an advancement or a disaster? Education has always evolved from the days of chalkboards to today's AI-driven classrooms. But is this progress, or are we losing something important? Student, why is the sun so bright? AI. The sun shines due to nuclear fusion in its core. Student, but why do we feel warmth when we look at it? AI. I do not have an answer for this. Do you have another question? But can an AI truly nurture curiosity the way a human teacher does? AI never gets tired, processes information perfectly, and provides quick responses. But can it inspire? Can it understand when a student feels lost? Teachers do more than just deliver knowledge. They encourage, nurture, and discover hidden talents. Can an algorithm ever replace that? Imagine a future where human teachers no longer exist. Is this an ideal world or a dystopian nightmare? Student, I feel sad today. I wish I could talk to someone. AI. Your emotions do not affect learning. Please continue. AI in education is both an opportunity and a risk. The question is, How will we use it? Education is not just about information. It's about motivation, creativity, and human connection. The future of learning is in our hands. Should we rely entirely on AI? Or can we find a balance between technology and humanity? Education has always been evolving, from chalkboards to smart screens, from textbooks to AI-driven learning. But is this evolution a step forward or a warning sign for the future? In advanced schools, AI is already replacing human teachers. Student, why is the sky blue? Assistant, due to Rayleigh scattering, blue light is scattered more in the atmosphere. Student, why does it turn orange at sunset? AI assistant, please specify your question further. AI provides precise answers, but can it spark curiosity? Can it inspire a student to explore beyond the facts? This is the difference. Human teachers turn learning into an experience while AI simply processes data. The future of education could be revolutionary or disastrous. Should AI support teachers or replace them entirely? Is this future we want? AI is already entering classrooms as an educational tool. It can process vast amounts of data in seconds, identify students' weaknesses, and personalize learning experiences. But is that enough? Education is always changing, but one thing remains constant. Learning is a human experience. Technology can be a powerful tool, but it cannot replace emotions, creativity, and inspiration. The future of education is not shaped by machines. It is shaped by our choices. Will we find a balance between technology and human connection? Perhaps the future of education is not about choosing between AI and human teachers, but about combining the best of both. The choice is ours. Can technology provide more than just raw information? AI is fast, accurate, and always available. It can analyze learning gaps in seconds and create personalized lesson plans. Knowledge is more than facts. It's curiosity, excitement, and wonder. But can AI ignite that spark? Education is not just about information. A smile, a word of encouragement, a teacher's belief in a student can change their future. Can a machine ever understand that? The future of education could be incredible or disappointing. We decide whether AI is a tool to assist teachers, a complete replacement for them. The future of education is not about choosing between artificial intelligence and teachers, but about how we use technology to make the learning experience richer, more human, and more inspiring. The choice is ours. In a world of rapid change, what matters most is not just what we learn, but how we learn. We are at a crossroads in education. Should AI be an empowering tool, or should we allow it to replace the heart of teaching? What do you think? Should AI replace teachers? Share your thoughts with us. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our future uploads.